So hey guys, what's up? I just want to show you my Revo 3.3 that I have converted to an electric, and here you go. It's using Hobby Wing something 150 ampere ESC, and then Hobby Wing I think it's 2200 kV motor. I bought it as a combo kit. Then I'm running a forest battery. And then I still have the standard brakes. So the brake is still the standard one, and it runs pretty good with how much this? With 5000 milliamp I could get half an hour run non-stop. So yeah, it has been a good conversion from my nitro, less hassle, less mess. Don't have to worry about buying nitro anymore. Just charge and plug and play. So here I'll try to show you how it runs. I hope I can show you while I'm videoing this. Yes, let's see. Oh yeah, I still have the reverse, so it's using a stock transmission. It can do a wheelie. Let me it's not easy to do wheelie. Where can I get the, let's see, okay. So if you wanna do wheelie all day, it's pretty easy in this setup. Sorry for the shakiness, guys. I'm using one hand to video this and then one hand to hold the transmitter. So it's been good, Oh yeah, another upgrade is just using full arms from RPM, then using the T-Max wheels and tires, since the standard so gone. I mean, since I'm using this electric conversion, pretty much eat up the tires if you do it on a pavement. So there you have it, guys. Hope you like it, and see you.